Masterpiece University and on a journey to become 100% debt free. I currently work part-time, earning anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500 a month. My current debt is over $180,000, and in this video I'm going to be going over my budget for May 2018. So if you're interested in that, please keep watching. Okay, so you guys know I normally do my budget live with you all, but we missed that for this month. But I did want to show you the numbers so that way if you guys are doing your budget for May, you can still be encouraged to complete it. As of this recording, it is still the first week of May and I haven't received my first paycheck, so I'm feeling pretty confident about being able to stay on budget. So I'm starting out with the quick start budget, and my anticipated income for May 2018 is $1,490. Of that, I want to put $150 in my tithes. I want to put $25 into my emergency fund. I'm going to pay my rent of $845. This is what my studio apartment full rent is. Then down here in utilities, I will have a electric, gas, and internet bill, but for the month of May, I don't have that. And so my phone cost is $35.82. Up here, you all know my grocery budget is $50 a month. So I put that there. I am intending to walk to work, as I did move a little bit closer to my employer, my part-time employer. And then here where it says $103.50, that actually should be on the health insurance line, not the life insurance line. But that is my health insurance premium, and that total is $1,209.32 for my quick start budget, or essentially to cover my 4 walls. The next form that I have is my cash flow plan, and this is essentially where I'm telling my money where to go. So you'll see that the tithe, again, I'm paying $150 for tithes, $50 for my grocery budget. I am saving $25 this month, paying my rent of $845, and paying my utility bill of $35.82. On the front side of the cash flow plan, I don't have any medical co-pays or costs as it stands right now. I'm anticipating that will change next month, but I will keep you guys posted as I begin to understand exactly how my insurance premium works. So switching to the second page of the monthly cash flow plan, you can see here my insurance premium of $103.50. Again, that should be under health insurance, not life insurance. And then just below that, I have my toiletries, which has been renamed to household pantry, of $15. My personal hygiene, which this category is renamed to, is $30. My child support is $75. My son's commission is $50. My son's iTunes subscription is $10.69. Coming down here, I'm giving myself $20 in pocket money this month. And then this here, I crossed that out and put laundry, and that is at $15 this month. And then what's left over, truly, when I calculated, was $9.99. And that I'm just going to put in a jar for apartment stuff, miscellaneous apartment things that I would need. And then we're coming over to the second category. I don't have any recreation anticipated. My debt payment to City Girl of $25, and then my debt payment to my PayPal account of $30, which is actually 2 payments, because if you watch my budget report card from last month, I realized that I did not pay my PayPal credit. So that needs to come out. When you look at the final numbers, I have $1,490 of income coming in and $1,490 of expenses going out. So my budget is 0. All right, so taking a look at my allocated spending, my first pay period will be May 11th. I anticipate getting $650. From that, I will put $75 on my tithes. I will have $575 left. I will also pay $400 towards my rent. I will have $175 left. I don't anticipate any of those expenses coming out of that pay period. Moving to the next screen, I will do a $50 towards my groceries. I will have $125 left after that. Moving down in my personal area, I will pay my child support of $75, my commission of $50, leaving me with $0 left out of that pay period. Okay, so that's pay period number 1. When we're looking at my second pay period, I'll get paid on May 25th, and I'm anticipating earning $650. Minus that, I will pay my tithes of $75, and I'll have $575 left over. I'll pay another partial rent payment of $400 and have $175 left over. I don't have any remaining expenses that will come from there. Again, remaining in the second pay period, I don't anticipate any of these expenses coming out here. Maybe flip it over. You will see that my insurance premium will come out for $103.50, leaving a remaining balance of $71.50. I will also set aside money for my toiletries, which will leave a remaining balance of $56.50. I'll set aside money for my personal hygiene, which will leave a balance of $26.50. I will also pay my son's iTunes account for $10.69, leaving a remaining balance of $15.81. And lastly, I'll have my laundry come out of here for $15, leaving a remaining balance of 81 cents, which I will carry over into my bank account, and that will be used during my third pay cycle. So let's take a look at what my third pay cycle will be. On May 21st, I will actually get my payment from Google AdSense. I will earn $190 net, so I will have already taken out the taxes and things like that in my business account, and remaining there'll be $190. I will pay the $25 towards, I'll put $25 into my emergency fund, leaving a remaining balance of $165. I will also pay a $45 towards my monthly rent, leaving a remaining balance of $120. I will pay my cell phone bill of $35.82, leaving a remaining balance of $84.18. Again, if we check the previous page, I don't have any expenses coming out of that pay cycle, but on this page I have a few. I will give myself pocket money of $20, leaving a remaining balance of $64.18. I will also have my apartment fund of $9.99 coming out, leaving a remaining balance of $54.19. Then I will have my payment for City Girl of $25, leaving a remaining balance of $29.19, and a payment to PayPal that will be over by 81 cents. But again, the balance from this pay period carried over, which would bring me to zero. So this is what I anticipate for an allocated spending for the month of May 2018. I anticipate earning a little bit of additional money this month. And so if that comes in, I'm hoping to bring in an additional $600. When I bring in that $600, I will send $300 to my son for his clothing to transition into summertime. I would like to set aside $200 for home goods, not the store home goods, but like home goods, like goods for my home. Setting aside $200 so that I can get those odds and end items that you don't really think about when you're living in a fully furnished place. I would like to put that $200 towards that. And then if I get an additional $100, I want to use that $100 to specifically restock my pantry. And that would include pots and seasonings for that $100. Pot seasoning and storage solutions. And so with the additional $600 that I'm hoping to bring in this month, these are the things that I would like to take care of. And that's it. So this is my May 2018 budget, and honestly, I much rather prefer doing it live, and I will be back live at the end of this month. The last Saturday of every month is when I prefer to do my budget, because Dave Ramsey suggests that we do a budget every single month before the month begins, and that would be me doing it before the month begins. I should be right back on track at the end of this month so we can move into June with just clarity and whatnot. But I definitely wanted to put this up here for you all because I know so many of you all are doing your budget as well, and I hope to keep you inspired as well as allowing you all to continue to be a major source of accountability. I cannot thank you all enough for just showing up and being so kind to me while I'm transitioning and things are moving swiftly. I really appreciate that. And I'm so incredibly grateful for you all supporting my work. So until next time, I will talk to you very soon. Bye.